Today's session is fast-paced and energetic, so use this quick moment here to take a few slow, steady breaths and ground yourself before we increase the level of activity. Finish your final exhale here and then extend your arms and legs overhead and get a really good wake up morning stretch. Tense all of your muscles, make fists, point your toes, clench everything, and then tuck your knees in and use your arms for momentum to take 5 front rocks all the way back onto the tops of your shoulders and then up into a seated position. After your 5th one, rock up into a side sit position and alternate right and left until you get 3 per side or 6 total. Continue to use your arms for momentum to add speed to this motion. After your last one, you can stay seated and just reverse your knees right and left through this side sit position on each side. After about 5 per side, bring your knees back through center, post your arms, and rock forward and back a few times. You can add on and drive your hips through your arms to straighten your legs. We're just preparing your shoulders for the kick through transitions that are coming. Set your hips down, rock back, and as you come up, post your arm and take a kick through transition. Kick forward and back, maintaining stability through your shoulder. You'll do 3 per side of these. After your 3rd one, keep rocking. We'll just change and come up. Instead of the kick through, you'll come to a deep squat. Pausing for just a moment, and then get your hips low and rock back gently but quickly and come back up into another deep squat. You'll be doing 5 of these. And after your 5th one, we're going to come through all these different positions but turn them into get-ups. Rock yourself back and then come up through your side sit to a full side sit get-up. Take 2 per side or 4 total. Move quickly through this and remember your sequence as you transition from rock to standing and then from standing back to your rock. And then after the side sits, we did the kick through transitions. So we'll be taking a kick through get up at this point now. So rock back, post an arm, and pivot yourself into a get up. Again, you'll be doing 2 per side. Move quickly through this pattern. And if you recall, we did some deep squats after our kick through transition. So you'll be taking a squat get up. If the squat get up is not accessible to you, you can take a cross sit get up. Take 3 of these before we transition into some reverse tabletop reaching. So you can rock up to a bent sit position, post your arms behind you, and then reach your hips up and back. As you reach one arm overhead, over across your body, you can take about 5 per side of these and just reach in different positions. And again, the goal here is to, yes, hit your full range of motion, but to get there quickly. After your final one, walk your hands back in so you pass through a deep squat to a deep knee bend. Just take a bunch of quick walking steps in your deep knee bend around your space. Move back to where you have some room for rocking. Rock your hips forward and back. We'll just kind of make our way back through the sequence that we did at the beginning, but in reverse. So if you want to pull your hips through your arms here to straighten your legs, you can. And then pass through some side sit reverses, right and left. Get even on both sides, and then take 5 front rocks forward and back. Again, use your arms for momentum. Even though we are winding down, we'll use just the last moment to take your nervous system down, but keep your speed up here until you stretch out long, just like you did at the beginning. Get everything tense, and then allow yourself to come into full relaxation. Take some deep breaths. You want to start moving from some shallow breathing through the activity to deep, calm, stable breath.